One of the things that we know about masks in real life is that masks cover or change or alter an appearance. And in Photoshop's masks do that, but more. I like to think about masks as editable selections. And the interesting thing about these selections is that white reveals while black conceals. And masks allow us to do a number of things, as we're starting to discover. One of the things that we can do with a mask, for example, is take an image where we have a background. We could then create a mask of a particular area of the image, let's say just revealing the subject in this case, this surfer here. And we could then have, is this completely extracted or removed from the background? Now, the advantage of using a mask in order to do this is that it's completely editable. We can always make changes. If we see a little area that we'd like to improve, we could go back and make those improvements. So in order to get good with masks, one of the things that we can do is start to get good with filling with black or white. There's a really helpful shortcut. What you can do is if you have a color in your foreground or your background, either black or white, in this case we can see I have a little screen grab of an icon where my black is my foreground color. On a Mac, I could then press Option Delete. On a PC, that's Alt Backspace, and that would then fill with that particular color, black. Or on the other hand, I could fill with a white as well. On a Mac, that's going to be Command Delete. On a PC, that's Control Delete. So we have these shortcuts which allow us to fill quickly with one color or another. And sometimes learning how to work with black and white and also learning how to refine our edges can really help us out. All right, well, let's go through a little small project where we're going to do just this. We're going to take a photograph and extract the subject from the background, and we're going to do that with a mask. And let's go ahead and begin that project in the next movie.